What does the future of Apple look like in the U.S.? President Trump has just made a major announcement, and it's all about Apple investing a staggering $500 billion into the U.S. economy. Is this the next big leap for American tech, or just another corporate move? Stay tuned, because in the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into this groundbreaking story, analyzing the potential impact on jobs, tech innovation, and the economy. Let's get started. President Trump's major announcement. On February 25, 2025, former President Donald Trump made waves with a bold claim. Apple, the tech giant known for its iPhones, Macs, and innovations in personal technology, is set to invest a whopping $500 billion in the U.S. economy. This massive investment is set to have far-reaching implications, not just for Apple but for the U.S. economy as a whole. The announcement of Apple's massive investment comes at a time when the U.S. is looking to rebound from various economic challenges. Trump has been vocal about bringing tech manufacturing and innovation back to American shores, and this investment is a clear indication of his vision for revitalizing the country's economic infrastructure. But what does this really mean for the future? What does $500 billion mean for the U.S. economy? Let's break down the numbers. A $500 billion investment isn't just a random figure. It represents a huge portion of the U.S. GDP, and its impact will be felt across various sectors. From creating tens of thousands of jobs to boosting the tech industry's global standing, this move could catapult the U.S. into a new era of tech dominance. Apple's $500 billion boost, a game changer for the U.S. What are the implications? This is more than just a financial figure. The investment could result in major upgrades to infrastructure, expansion of research and development, and potentially even a new tech-driven industrial revolution in America. The impact on jobs. One of the most talked about outcomes of this deal is the job creation. With such a large-scale investment, Apple is expected to create thousands of new jobs, not only in its headquarters in California but also in new manufacturing plants and tech hubs across the U.S. How Apple's $500 billion investment will create thousands of jobs. The deal could see Apple partner with local governments to create high-tech jobs, contributing to the nation's labor market and providing opportunities to communities in need. Innovation and research at the forefront. Another critical area where the $500 billion will likely go is in research and development, R&D. Apple is already a leader in tech innovation, and this investment could take R&D to new heights. The company might develop cutting-edge technology in fields such as AI, quantum computing, and even green tech. This focus on innovation could help the U.S. maintain its edge in the global tech race. Economic growth and global competitiveness. This investment could also help boost the overall competitiveness of the U.S. in the global market. By revitalizing the American tech ecosystem, the U.S. will not only secure its place at the top of the global tech hierarchy but could also be a major player in the global economy for years to come. But it's not all rosy. Some critics may argue that such a significant amount of money should be used elsewhere, such as education or healthcare. However, the long-term returns from this investment might outweigh the short-term costs, especially if it sparks further investments from other tech giants. What's next for Apple and the U.S.? As we look to the future, the question is what happens next with Apple's $500 billion commitment. The U.S. could see unprecedented growth, technological advancements, and job creation. However, much depends on how the funds are allocated and whether Apple can deliver on the promises made. While the U.S. government will have a significant role to play, Apple's moves could set the stage for a new era in American technological supremacy. The big announcement. On February 25, 2025, former President Donald Trump revealed an exciting piece of news. Apple is set to invest a staggering $500 billion into the U.S. economy. This isn't just a small amount, it's a game changer that could reshape the country's future. Apple, the world's largest tech company, has always been a driving force in innovation. But this new investment could solidify its place in the U.S. for decades to come. Trump, a vocal supporter of reshoring American jobs, has long emphasized the importance of bringing manufacturing and innovation back to U.S. soil. With Apple's $500 billion commitment, it seems that vision is becoming a reality. How will the $500 billion be spent? So, what exactly will Apple do with $500 billion? The company has not fully disclosed the breakdown, but we can make some educated guesses. A significant portion will likely be directed toward building new manufacturing facilities across the U.S., which could create thousands of jobs. Additionally, there could be major investments in research and development, R&D, where Apple can push the envelope on technologies like AI, robotics, and clean energy. How Apple's $500 billion boost will transform the U.S. This isn't just about Apple growing its own empire. It's about helping the country become a global leader in cutting-edge industries, job creation and economic growth. With this massive financial injection, Apple is expected to create tens of thousands of new jobs. These jobs won't be limited to just engineers and tech developers. We can also expect to see opportunities in construction, operations, and service sectors as Apple builds its new facilities across the country. In addition to providing jobs, this investment will have a ripple effect, benefiting local economies and driving growth in neighboring industries. Think of the new demand for everything from construction materials to software engineers and even teachers to train the next generation of tech talent. The bigger picture: innovation and global competitiveness. This $500 billion is also an investment in the future of technology. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, but with this large-scale commitment, the company could bring new technologies to life that might not have been possible otherwise. Apple's $500 billion investment a game changer for American tech. In addition to building manufacturing plants, Apple will likely pour money into R&D for everything from artificial intelligence to green energy technologies, keeping the U.S. at the cutting edge of global tech advancements. This could put the country ahead of its competitors in tech fields for many years to come. Moreover, Apple's investment may inspire other tech giants to follow suit, creating a wave of competition that pushes the entire industry forward. What this means for the U.S. economy. The key question: what does this $500 billion mean for America's economy? Simply put, it could mean a whole new era for the U.S. economy. With new jobs, a boost to tech industries, and potentially even a stronger global position, the U.S. economy might experience significant growth. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some critics might argue that Apple's wealth could be better used in other sectors, like healthcare or education. But the long-term economic benefits could far outweigh these concerns, especially if the investment spurs further private and public investments into American industries. So, what do you think about Apple's $500 billion investment? Is this a massive win for the U.S. economy, or will it ultimately prove to be just another corporate move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest business and economic news. Don't miss out on our next video, where we'll dive into the long-term effects of tech giants reshaping economies. Thanks for watching.